Okay, so once wait, I hope. Okay, I'm pretty sure it can. Whatever. Yeah. Okay, it's moving. Okay, so I'm Adrian Martinez from your sixth period class again, and basically here we have the two graphs from this like scanner motion sensor type thing. So let me just fix this. Here at the top we have a position time graph. Here at the bottom we have a velocity time graph. This is meters per second if I'm not mistaken, and this is meters per second also. No, this is meters per second as time progresses. So this is velocity as time progresses, like how it changes, and this is representing what how position changes as time changes. So basically we have a beginning where like we start at what is this? This is what is okay. So we start at a negative position and we kind of just move away from the scanner or move the scanner away from the wall. I'm not quite sure what happens, but like we move toward a negative position for about 3 seconds, and then right here it's pretty linear, so we just kind of chose this to compare, I guess, if I remember correctly. And for like another 3 to 4 seconds, we move upward or in a positive direction, and then we move back again toward in a negative direction. And then down here we kind of show that where, wait, let me see if I can make any sense of this. So our velocity is kind of just like moving here. So um, okay, so since we're moving at a negative, at a negative direction, it's a negative ratio. So it's what is that, like 1 to like 0.4. Okay, so like negative 0.4 meters per second, and that's about steady, so that's why it's like not that big of a difference right here. Maybe 0.5, like negative half a meter per second. And we move up here and it's about positive half a meter per second, which is shown here, so like that's pretty linear, which basically means, wait, that says about 0.3 meters per second. Okay, so about 0.3 meters per second straight, and that's linear. So you can see here it's like consistent, like there's a couple of like loops and whatever, but like I guess the way to say it is that when the velocity graph is like straight, the position graph would be moving either positive or negative with a steady slope. And yeah, that's shown here with these two, that's shown here with those two portions of the graph, and that's shown here with these two portions of the graph. And that's about all I can say, I guess. Another thing is that like position time graphs would show you like the actual position, whereas as opposed to velocity time graph, which basically shows you the speed. So if you're moving at a steady speed, it'll seem semi-linear, I guess. This isn't really that big of a difference, like from here to here, because it's not even a meter per second, and this isn't that big of a difference from here to here, right into that, because it's just a semi-steady speed going, like, yeah. So that's about all I could think of, and yeah.